Hello guys, now in this tutorial I will tell you use of Extruded Boss Base Command. So let's start the video. First choose your front plane, keep normal, and we have to make a 2D drawing. So simply go to sketch and select your line and draw a 2D sketch. Okay, okay. Select this line horizontal. Okay. Now simply go to features and select your Extrude Boss Base Command, and this keep dimension is 100 mm. Okay. Now see, click on this face, keep normal, and again go to sketch and choose your circle, draw a circle, keep dimension is 50 mm. Okay. Now again go to features and select your Extrude Boss Base Command, and see, this is blend. If you here you can change direction like this, and this is through all. It means that sketched will extrude through all from the surface. See, here you can change your dimension and direction and up to vertex. It means that select here any vertex of this body. This, see, choose here, see, any corner point of the surface is a vertex. So simply you can choose any vertex. See here, and here up to surface. Here you have to click on the surface, any surface which is you want to click on this face. So this is extrude to the surface, and this, okay, see, and here up to body. And this feature I will tell you in the next tutorial and upcoming videos. And this is a mid plane. It means that the features, this body extrude in both direction from the mid plane, and here you can change your dimension. See, okay, this is offset from the surface. Choose here any surface. See, and here change the dimension. The offset, this dimension will change from here. See, choose any surface and you can give offset. Okay,